In a supine position and with bent legs, keep your head and shoulders slightly raised off the ground. The arms are crossed over the chest. Lift the upper part of the torso by contracting your abdominal muscles. This way, you will notice that the work is concentrated on the upper part of your abdomen. Return to the starting position by relaxing the muscles of the abdomen. The crunch with arms crossed on the chest is a simple variant of the classic crunch. It is an exercise suitable for the beginners, because the arms crossed over the chest facilitate the execution of the movement. If you want to train your abs effectively, toning and strengthening them, especially in the upper part, this is undoubtedly an exercise to start off with.